Hi students, how's it going? It's Pete Posner here at Big Break English, your British English teacher. And today we're going to look at the difference between say and tell. Okay, so, and especially in reported speech. Okay, I have a quick test for you. Okay, I want you to tell me, is it correct said or told in number one? Okay, so said or told. He told or he said me he was having a great time. Okay, again, he told or he said me he was having a great time. Okay, so is it told or said? Right. Number two, he told or he said he had started his classes a few weeks ago. Again, he told or he said he had started his classes a few weeks ago. Okay, which is it? Told or said? Okay, so this is about my student, by the way. I was telling you about him in the video on IELTS speaking, how to make complex structures using reported speech. Now, this is important to practice, to really work on, so that you can get a band score of at least 7 in grammar range and accuracy for speaking and also writing, right? Because reported speech is a complex structure, okay? And you need a variety of these in your speaking and writing, okay? And if you need help with your writing, remember you can download my free ebook 12 tips for scoring higher on IELTS writing task 2, right? The link is down in the description, okay? Okay, so I'm going to, so why don't you now pause the video, okay? And just think about those two questions, right? And then we're going to look at them together, okay? So was it told or said, okay? Okay, so let's look at this together. We use tell to show who someone is talking to. For example, okay, so the answer for number one, he told me he was having a great time. Okay, not he said me. No, that's wrong. Okay, so it's tell to show who someone is talking to. Right, so he told me. Okay, otherwise, you say. Okay, so number two, he said he had started his classes a few weeks ago, not he told he had. That sounds strange, right? Okay, so in other words, if you don't show who someone is talking to, then just use say, right? So he said he had started his classes a few weeks ago, okay? In other words, okay, as a summary, you should learn, right? Tell someone something, right? He told me something, blah, 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 yeah? And say something, right? He said something. He had started his classes a few weeks ago, okay? Okay, so it's time to practice. Okay, say or tell. Can you tick the correct sentences and change the incorrect ones? For example A. He told me he had classes in the morning. Okay, that's correct. Yeah, because remember, tell someone he told me something. He had classes in the morning. Okay, but example B, he said me. Nah, it's say something, right? Not say someone something, right? He had visited the British Museum. Okay, so you have to then correct this, right? So correct is he told me blah blah blah. Yeah, he had visited the British Museum. Okay, all right. So do the same for 1 to 4, right? And then we'll check together. Okay, so pause your video now, and we'll see in a couple of minutes how you did. Okay. Okay, how did you do? Number one, he told he would get a takeaway. A takeaway, do you remember this word? So this is, for example, a Chinese, right? It's food that you buy in a place and then you take it out. Maybe you take it home with you, or you take it and eat it in a park. It's a takeaway, right? So in the UK, Chinese is a typical takeaway, right? Okay, it's not right. Yeah, he told he would get a takeaway. No, no, because it's tell someone something. So he told me he would get a takeaway, right? Or you could use said, and then it would be he said he would get a takeaway. All right. So he said he would get a takeaway, or he told me he would get a takeaway. Right. Good. Number two. He said they had had a lot of fun in their class. Okay, that's correct. Yeah, because it's say something. So he said something is they had had a lot of fun in their class. Okay, so that's good, right? So that one you can tick. Okay. Number three, he told me they were learning so much. Told me they were learning so much. It's good. Yeah, it's tell someone something. He told me someone something they were learning so much. Okay, so you can tick that one too. Okay, and number four, he said me he was going to Italy soon. Now, remember, it's say something, not say someone something. Right, so let's correct that one. So he told me, right, he was going to Italy soon, or he said, right, he said he, right, was going to Italy soon. All right, okay, and that's it. Okay, students, that's it for today. So hopefully now you know how to use, or when you have to use say and when you have to use tell in reported speech. And remember to download my ebook, my free ebook, 12 tips for scoring higher on IELTS writing task 2. Yeah, in the description, there's a link. And also, if you are interested in taking a one-to-one online lesson with me to prepare IELTS, I'll leave a link for a trial lesson so you can try before you buy. Okay, and also, of course, if you enjoyed this video, if you found it useful, please share it, and I'm looking forward to the next video. Have a great day and see you again soon.